Student, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's session that is related to chapter quadrilateral exercise 8.1. Today we will discuss the last question of our exercise, that is exercise 8.1. So here our question is, in this question our trapezium is given to you, that is ABCD, in which AB is parallel to CD. Okay, and the next thing given to us that AD is equals to BC. What we have to show? We have to show these many things, that angle A is equals to B, C it is equals to D, and the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC means we have to join this. Okay, we will join AC. So triangle ABC is congruent to BAD. Okay, this ABC is congruent to BAD, and as well as diagonal AC is equals to BD. Okay, so just see how we will solve it. First of all, what we have done the construction. What the construction is, just we have draw a line that CE that is parallel to AD. Okay, so first of all we will do the construction. These many things given to us, this we need to prove. Okay, now see, first of all we will do the construction. Just see what construction it. We have extended, okay, we have extended AB to point E. Okay, we will extend AB. Okay, we will extend AB and we draw a line from C that is parallel to the line from C that is parallel to AD. Okay, and produce to point E. Okay, and we have drawn the diagonal, that AC and BD. Now see the proof, how we will prove it. So first of all, what we know, we need to prove A is equals to B. Okay, so we will take this inner one portion. What we know that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB CD के हमें parallel दिया गया है. And if AB is parallel to CD, it also implies that AE is also parallel to CD, because we have extended the same line. Again, by construction we know that DA is parallel to CE. Okay, reason is by construction. So what we have concluded, if AE is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to CE, so this AECD is a parallelogram. Okay, it is a parallelogram. Now this thing we have proved that it is a parallelogram. Now we will utilize the property of parallelogram for proving these all things. Okay, so now in this parallelogram, what the things we are having that AD is equals to EC, opposite side of parallelogram. Okay, the next thing we are having that AD is also equal to BC, and the reason is it is given to us. Okay, AD EC के equal है as well as AD BC के भी equal है. इसका meaning क्या हुआ, that EC और BC आपस में equal हैं. EC is equals to BC. So we will utilize this property of triangle. If two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. So in triangle BCE, okay, EC is equals to BC. So what we are getting from here, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Okay, so what angle 1 and 2, we have given them the name, angle 1 and this is angle 2. So angle 1 किसके इक्वल हो गया, angle 2 के. अभी angle 1 angle 2 के इक्वल हुआ है, हमें B को A के इक्वल करना है. Okay, so just see how we will prove it. I am solving here, just see how we will prove it. Now, so angle 1, here it is angle 1 and it is angle B, and just see they both are making the linear pair. So we can write that angle ABC plus angle 1, it is 180 degree, and the reason is linear pair. Reason is linear pair. And another thing we are having, that just see these two are the parallel line and this is the transversal. So sum of co-interior angle, that is 180, means we are having angle BAD plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is co-interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now see from this equation, ABC plus 1 is 180, BAD plus 2 is 180, means these two are equal. If right hand side are equal, then you can write the left hand side also as equals, means you can write ABC plus 1 is equals to BAD plus 2. Okay, now from this equation we are having ABC is equals to BAD. Why? Because angle 1 is equals to angle 2. क्योंकि angle 1 तो already angle 2 के equal है, so BAC is equals to angle 2. So we can say angle A is equals to angle B. This is the first point we have proved. Still 3 points are there needs to be proved. This is the first point. Okay, now we will discuss how we will prove the second point, that is C is equals to D. So now see the proof of second point. For the second point we need to prove C and D as equal. Okay, so here we will utilize the property of the angles on the same side of transversal. They are supplementary or the co-interior angle. Okay, what you can say that angle A plus angle D is 180, as well as we can say that angle B plus angle C is 180. And the reason behind both is angles on the same side of transversal. Okay, interior angle on the same side of the transversal, they are supplementary. Their sum is 180. Now see again here, right hand side are equal, so we can take left hand side also as equal, means from here we can conclude that angle A plus angle D is equals to angle B plus angle C. Okay, now what we can do here, we know that angle B is equals to angle A. Okay, और we need to prove C as D equal B A के equal है, अभी हमने prove किया है. So instead of A we can write B, angle B plus angle D is equals to angle B plus angle C, because we know angle A is equals to angle B, proved above. Okay, so B cut down, so angle D is equals to angle C. So this is the second point that we have proved. Okay, now what we are having, we need to prove our third point. अब हमें कौन सा point prove करना है? Third point. That is we need to prove ABC congruent as BAD. ये वाला portion, just ये वाला triangle ABC congruent to ABD. Now see how we will prove it. We will take these two triangles. Which two? In triangle ABC and triangle BAD. Okay, just see how we will take. We know that AB is equals to BA. Why? It is common in both. Sorry, it is BA. It is common. BA is equals to AB. That is दोनों में है. Okay, next thing we are having angle ABC is equals to angle BAD. हमने prove किया है. We have proved it. Angle ABC is equals to BAD, ये हमने अभी प्रूव किया है. एंड द थर्ड थिंग वी आर हैविंग BC इज इक्वल्स टू AD. ठीक है, ये हमें दिया गया है. BC इज इक्वल्स टू AD हमें दिया है. ओके, सो दीज टू ट्राइंगल आर कॉन्ग्रेंट. सो ट्राइंगल ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. And what the criteria is here? Criteria is SAS. Criteria is SAS. So this is the third point that we have proved. Now the last point, that is we have to prove these two diagonals as equal. So how we will prove these two diagonals as equals? Because triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. So diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD, and reason is by CPCT. Okay, so this is our question number 12. So with this question number 12, we have completed our exercise, that is exercise 8.1. In the next video, we will discuss midpoint theorem. and with the help of that theorem we will try to solve our next exercise, that is exercise 8.2. It is quite interesting exercise, and midpoint theorem, it is also quite interesting theorem. So we will discuss all the things in the next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and try to solve this question properly. For any query you can message me. Thank you.